Have you suddenly lost power steering and seen a battery warning light in your Infiniti? Maybe you also heard a loud slapping noise from under the hood. This is a known, serious issue, so stick around until the end of the video because we are going over exactly what this repair might cost you. For most drivers, this problem shows up completely out of nowhere. You might be cruising down the highway when you suddenly hear a loud squeal or shredding sound coming from the front of the engine. Almost instantly, your steering wheel becomes incredibly heavy and difficult to turn. At the exact same time, your air conditioning will stop blowing cold. Your dashboard will likely light up with a battery or charging system warning because your alternator is no longer spinning. It is very easy to assume your alternator just died or your power steering pump failed. But if you pop the hood, you will likely see your Serpentine drive belt is completely missing ribs, or heavily frayed at the edges. This specific belt failure appears to affect the 2016 through 2021 Infiniti Q50, as well as the 2017 through 2021 Infiniti Q60. It strictly targets models equipped with the 3.0-litre twin-turbo V6 engine, often referred to as the VR30. Infiniti actually released Technical Service Bulletin ITB17040 to address this exact failure. The root cause comes down to a slight factory misalignment of the air conditioning compressor. Because the compressor doesn't sit perfectly flush with the rest of the accessory pulleys, it slowly forces the Serpentine drive belt to walk off the edge. The biggest danger isn't just losing your alternator or power steering on the highway. When that belt shreds under heavy engine load, the high-speed rotation can pull stringy nylon fibers right behind the main crankshaft pulley. Those tough fibers can easily wrap around the crankshaft and tear into the front main radial oil seal. If that crank seal gets compromised, you are looking at a massive oil leak. Even worse, the engine can actually ingest those chewed-up belt chunks right into the oil pan. This can block the oil pickup tube and cause catastrophic internal engine failure. Looking through Infiniti owner forums and Reddit, this is a heavily discussed problem. Many owners report finding black rubber dust scattered around their engine bay right before a failure. A common frustration is that some shops will simply throw a new belt on, completely unaware of the alignment issue, which just causes the new belt to shred a few weeks later. To fix this permanently, technicians must first clear out all the old belt debris. They also have to closely inspect that front crankshaft seal to ensure no belt material was forced behind the pulley. To correct the actual root cause, the shop will install specially designed spacer shims on the AC compressor mounting points. This shim kit pushes the compressor pulley into perfect alignment with the rest of the engine block. In some severe cases, the AC compressor or the belt tensioner may also need to be replaced. A brand new, updated Serpentine belt is installed only after the alignment is completely corrected. For the repair cost, if you catch the issue before any seal damage occurs, expect an independent shop to charge around $350 to $450 for the shim kit, updated belt, and labor. At a dealership, this same alignment, fix, and belt replacement will likely run you closer to $500 to $700. However, if the shredded belt destroys that front main oil seal, the labor to drop the pan and replace the seal can easily push your bill well over $1,000. Have you dealt with a shredded Serpentine belt or found rubber dust under the hood of your Q50 or Q60? Let me know your experience down in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more breakdown videos just like this one.